Let's upgrade that grainy webcam look to something professional with Nvidia Broadcast, making you look like you're filming in a proper studio. First things first, you need to have Nvidia Broadcast installed and running. If you don't, download and install it from Nvidia's website. Once installed, open the software, locate the camera tab. This is where the magic happens here. You can use many of the amazing features provided by Nvidia's tools. For now, make sure your preferred webcam is selected as the input device. Now, let's make Nvidia Broadcast your default camera. A process is easy. Just follow along. First, locate the Windows search bar, usually at the bottom left of your screen. Type Camera Privacy Settings and then select this option from the search results. In the Camera Privacy Settings window, ensure the camera access is toggled on. Below this, verify that Let Apps Access Your Camera is also toggled on. If you are worried about your privacy, you can choose the applications that are allowed to access your webcam below. Many communication apps like Zoom, Discord, or even the Windows Camera app have their own camera settings. Open the application you want to use. Look around in the settings, usually a gear icon there. You'll find the settings related to video or camera. In these settings, there should be a drop-down menu listing available cameras. Select Nvidia Broadcast from this list. Note the name may be different, like Cam Device or something similar, but it should clearly represent Nvidia Broadcast. Once selected, Nvidia Broadcast will work its magic, cleaning up your video and background with the features you like.